Misty's kitchen, the warmth fills the air. With laughter and love, it's a place we all share. Recipes passed down through the years, a sprinkle of joy mixed with our tears. Gather round, let the good times roll. Home cooking magic, it feeds the soul. From pies to stews, every bite's a delight. At Misty's Pleasures, everything feels right.
Put it on there now, brother.
What? You want me to put it on TikTok?
No, I haven't got to see everybody yet.
But I have to take some of the water because it's going to take 2 hours, and so I'm hoping to show money. Again, 2 weeks back when you could do my home replacement right now in my car. I'm talking to my brother about it, Canada. I was talking to John Mason, obviously, because I was going straight home and getting my, when I got my kids without done. Team and Paul with other things still, but I haven't gotten rid of that, so hopefully get this.
Remember when you told me that I should take it slow, but I can't stay when the world is waiting. I'm too used to being on my own. Hearts will break, but I have to chase it. I'm dancing on the edge again. The wind is calling my name. I'm dancing on the edge again. This time I'm not looking back, babe. You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll leave echoes in every place I find. I break the molds with rebels fly. I'm a hurricane, a free-born mind. I remember when you told me I should settle down, but these restless feet won't keep me grounded. The open road's the only place I found where I feel alive, and the stars will guide me. I'm dancing on the edge. The wind is calling my name. I'm dancing on the edge again. This time I'm not looking back. You can change me, you can tell me to.
He's still there. She was there the whole time. I didn't even know it.
Every place I find, I break the molds with rebels fly. I'm a hurricane, a free-born mind. A free-born mind. I'm a hurricane afraid. Oh no, you can't change me. You can tell me time. That goes in every place that flies. Break the walls with rebels mind. I'm a hurricane afraid. Oh no, you can't change me. You can tell me down. That goes in every place that flies. Break the walls with rebels mind.
This is one of those. It is only 5 to 6 ingredients. I believe mine is a 6-ingredient recipe. Now that does not include seasoning.
Taken together, we dance in the light. With flour on our faces, everything's bright. So lift up your hearts and let's raise a cheer for the joy of good cooking we hold so dear. Gather round, let the good times roll. Home cooking magic, it feeds the soul. From pies to stews, every bite's a delight. At Misty's pleasures, everything feels right.